Andrew Shepard is your normal, everyday kind of guy with your normal, everyday problems, except for one minor complication.
What's that?
That's my ride.
His job.
What would happen if I called Sydney Wade and asked her to be my date at the state dinner on Thursday evening?
The president can't just go out on a date.
We're having a formal state dinner at the White House.
I'm honored. I'm equal to the task.
This is just dinner. We're not going to be doing espionage or anything. She didn't say anything about me.
Well, no, sir, but I could pass her a note before study hall.
I'm having dinner at the White House.
I'm having lunch at the Kremlin.
Is this okay? Am I having dinner with a lady?
It's cool. Just go for it.
The American President, starring Academy Award winner Michael Douglas, Oscar nominee Annette Bening, Martin Sheen, Michael J. Fox, and Richard Dreyfuss.
How are we doing so far?
It's hard to say at this point. So far, it's just your typical first date stuff.
Damn, and I want to be different from the other guys.
It's the romantic comedy triumph the critics are calling the best picture of the year.
Hey, Coop, I'm going to hop out at the flower shop.
You gonna hop out, sir?
No, he's not hopping. No hopping, sir.
Fall in love with the romantic comedy Siskel and Ebert give 2 thumbs up.
I kissed him. And then what happened? He had to go and attack Livia.
The American President.